Hi, Kristi Sullivan here with Sullivan Financial Planning, talking about the idea of sunsetting tax laws. And you may wonder why I'm talking about this. Well, this is accompanying a blog I wrote about the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act sunsetting in 2025 or at the end of 2025. What that means is that the tax cuts that were put into place, the changes that were put into place back in 2017, when this tax law passed, will end and things will go back to the way they were before. Tax brackets will rise, estate planning exemptions will lower, standard deductions will lower. You can read all about this in my blog or a million other publications out there on the internet. What I thought I would address today is the idea of sunsetting tax laws and why that happens. And very simply, I think it's because Congress can only enact major tax legislation that will possibly maybe satisfy the other side of the aisle if it's seen as not permanent. So, if the Democrats don't want tax cuts for the rich, then maybe they can get it through just based on the fact that these tax cuts won't be around forever. It's only for 5 or 6 years, unless Congress acts to do something different to keep the tax cuts in place for another 3 or 4 years, which they very well could do. Really, my whole point in talking about this is that planning long-term for your retirement or even, unfortunately, your estate plan based on whatever today's tax laws are is like planning based on quicksand. The laws will change. They change often. We have lost the ability to stretch IRAs out for the IRA distributions for the lifetime of the non-spouse beneficiary. That's gotten compressed to 10 years. Who knows what other changes may take place down the pike. So I'm always a little nervous about people doing things like converting tons of money from their traditional IRA to their Roth IRA, especially when they're already retired, because it's better for the inheritors, or they think it'll be better for their taxes down the line, when we don't really know what their taxes down the line in 2, 5, 10, 20 years will be. You're going to pay extra taxes now to take certain actions, but will it be worth it in the long run? We just don't know. As a financial advisor, I'm of the opinion that you don't let the tax dog don't let the tax tail wag the financial dog decision. Be thinking more holistically and not just about how to win at the tax game, because the tax game changes all of the time. I'm not sure if I told you really to do or not do anything, except for maybe don't stress about taxes too much. And talk to your financial advisor if you think you could maybe be doing something better, but beware of paying big tax bills now in order to save money on taxes in the future, because we don't know what the future holds as far as tax law goes. Thanks for watching and have a great day.